Hey guys, it's the Cube Factor here. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use a Remington typewriter. This is a really old one. One thing I know, bring it a little bit closer. Ribbon I'm not doing because that's too annoying, but I'm just assuming that you know how to type. Then this is how you use it. You need a sheet of paper and a typewriter. You take the paper and you put it in here. Now for mine, it has a lock. So you push this, then you push the other thing and it locks. Get the paper down there so you look really closely down here. A little bit shows somewhere. It doesn't, it's just fine. As long as I can do, as long as it gets up a little bit, then you're good. But this is not good. For one reason, it's not centered. And you want it to be completely centered, or else it won't type straight. Remember, it's all mechanical. No electricity running through it. Oh my god, why does it have to be so hard? Just pretend that it went right. And we can just straighten that out. Please go right this time, like right in the middle. Like I've been doing this for, okay, I give up. New sheet. It has something on it, I don't care. Just get in there. Press this button. Shove that paper in there. Turn this. And this knob. And to return, pull this over. And do that. So let's just, this button's to move it. Let's just say you're at the end. So it doesn't let you type anymore. It won't go all the way. Mine's a little bit rusty, so I have to pull this lever here. But like, you can't do it. So what you do is you pull this, and then you just pull it. So when you pull this, there's a ratchet gear mechanism, and it moves the paper up. That's a return. Go back. So you just type like a regular keyboard. Oh, and basically, so I could put my channel name right here by pressing your name, yours name, and then I could type in the Cube Factor, which I'm doing just about now. Oh my god. 2 keys at once. Let's try that again. Let's see. On No, I spelled it incorrectly. I need correction fluid for this, but I don't have any. So, now here's the Cube Factor on the typewriter. Let's see. There's no one, so just use and capital I, which doesn't come out too good. So, oh, that's how you make a 1. It's an L. People were weird back then. I have 17. Nope, just 17, not 177. 17. Sub. It's harder than you think. You have to press pretty hard. And 237 minutes. Oh, I'm at the end. I can't type anymore. Better return. Here's a bill. It's not electric. This is the closest outlet to the typewriter. No plugs in it. No batteries included. So, that's the end of the video. And if you never did, and if you actually, no, I'm serious, if you never did, just oh, you better subscribe. The typewriter says to. It also sang in. It says, and thanks for watching. The cube factor out. But I'm not done yet. There's one more thing. Oh, I forgot. Hashtags. Hashtag. Hashtag typewriter. Hashtag vintage. And hashtag sub. Now you better listen to this thing saying sub. Want to do this